Hi guys, we are at GEC Viva right now and we are going to walk along the seawall to get to Stanley Park. We are now right by the Hornby Dock and you can see the Burrard Bridge from here. This is Sunset Beach. Let's see what is around here. There's a really popular public art piece, monuments of 2 wedding rings. A lot of people get married here. You can take a ferry to Granville Island, Yaletown, and other attractions right from Sunset Beach. And right here is where you get on the ferry. More public art. This is the Inukshuk on English Bay. This is an ancient symbol of the Inuit culture and is traditionally used as a landmark and navigational aid. It represents northern hospitality and friendship. We finish our walk at the Sylvia Hotel. It's surrounded by pretty leaves every season, and you can enter Stanley Park following the seawall here. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time!